Hi my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about skincare and I'm going to show you how you can get rid of your acne, blemishes, dark circles forever. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna take this chickpea flour, which is also known as Besan. So I'm taking 1/3 cup of chickpea flour, almost less than a half cup. My next ingredient is turmeric. It is also known as Haldi. It has a lot of medicinal benefits. So I'm just taking my camera did not focus here. So I'm just taking a 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Just make sure you take a little amount because sometimes it does leave a stain on the face. So just a 1 teaspoon. Now this is completely optional. If you like to take yogurt, you can use a yogurt. If you like to use milk, you can go ahead and use it. But today's pack, I will be using yogurt and I am just taking a 1 tablespoon of it. Now I'm taking honey. It's about a teaspoon of honey. I'm just going to add in this. Gonna mix all these magic ingredients. If your mask looks like mine, if it is thick, you can go ahead and use milk, or you can also add some little drops of water. But make sure when you're adding a milk, just use a tiny bit of it. So your final mask should look like this because it's easier to apply on the face. Now you just apply all over your face. As you can see that it's getting dry and it's having and I can't really speak. Oops, my camera decided to not to focus. Okay, maybe I'm too glowing for her. Maybe I'm too glowing for my camera. Ooh, look at that glow. So I'm getting drier and I'm having hard time speaking. So now I know it's ready to wash. My skin feels a lot smoother, softer and brighter. I can see the glow on my skin. So this mask is very powerful. If you guys wanted to see a noticeable difference, I would suggest to use at least 3 to 4 times a week. If you like this video for any reason, if you like my neck dance, then please don't forget to hit the like button down here somewhere. It's here. And don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you keep updated for my next videos. And also please do share with your friends. It really helps me a lot. And one thing today I wanted to tell you all, and this is very important. I wanted to talk to you guys before as well, but for some reason I didn't tell you that I really love each one of you. I really love you so much. I really appreciate and your all the comments, all the lovely support. Please leave the comments if you have any suggestions. And yeah, love you all. See you next time.